good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video, and today we're going to do what many people consider to be a staple in their home. We're going to do ham and beans. And over the years, you know, I've developed doing it in a pressure cooker, which I love. So we're going to do that today. I've done a video on this before a year or two ago, but I just want to revisit it. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some ham and beans. So, supporting cast, pretty common for ham and beans. So we got the star of the show, my beans. Now I've soaked these beans overnight. Now, with the pressure cooker, you can do it either soaked or non-soaked. I chose to soak them this time. Takes a little less time to cook in a pressure cooker, but you can not soak them and then you just cook them a little bit longer. Then of course I got my ham here cut up in cubes. Then I got some carrots, some celery, and some onion cut up there. As far as spices go, salt and pepper. This is very simple. Salt and pepper, some minced garlic. I guess add a couple bay leaves to that, and I got some chicken bouillon seasoning that I'm gonna add to with 4 to 6 cups of water. Now the last thing is optional. You don't have to add this if you don't want to. I like the smoky flavor that it gives it, and I got some smoked ham hocks here. I got 2 of them. I'm just gonna add those to the mixture, let it cook, and give it a smoky flavor. Now you can also go to the store and you can purchase what they call liquid smoke. I don't have any today. Actually, I do have the bottle, but I don't have anything in it, just to remind me to get some more. But I don't have any of that, so I'm using the smoked ham hock today. But that's all the ingredients. And again, 4 to 6 cups of water with the chicken bouillon. And let's get started putting it together. Very simple. We just throw it in the pressure cooker and let it go. We're over here at the pressure cooker, and the first thing I'm going to add is my beans. I'm going right in with them. This is 2 pounds. You can do 1 or 2 pounds, of course. I'm doing 2 pounds today. Got my beans all in there. Now these were soaked, and they were also sorted. Got all the shells out, all the bad impurity beans that I could find. Sometimes you can't find them all, sometimes you can. But that's 2 pounds. So we're gonna go right in with our ingredients. Our carrots, our onion, our celery. Now typically I would use a utensil for this, but I'm just going to get in with my hands and mix this up a little bit. Make sure you wash your hands, guys. Alright. We're going to go in with our ham. There we go. And I'm going to shoot it with my water right now. Like I said, 4 to 6 cups of water. This is probably going to take all 6. And there we go. 6 cups of water. Now we're going to throw our seasoning in. Oh, don't let me forget my ham hocks. And my ham hocks in there. Like I said, this is a dump and go recipe. I love it. We're going to hit it with some salt. Pink Himalayan, you know how I get down. Now I may also salt this after it's done, because you never know where the salt content lies once it gets incorporated. Hit it with a lot of black pepper. You know I love my black pepper. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. That mixed in there. And I'm going to do my chicken bouillon seasoning. So for this, I'm going to add about one teaspoon per cup of water. I overdo my teaspoon, so I'm going to do about 4. That should equal really a 6. So there we go with our chicken bouillon. I told you this was simple. Very simple. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to close up the pressure cooker. And like I say all the time, if you haven't seen and you don't know how to do it on yours, all you have to do is go back and check out my other videos. I lock it down and we'll start this thing up. Like most pressure cookers, this one does have a bean and lentil seasoning or setting on it. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use the meat chicken button. So I'm going to sit here, hit the meat chicken button, increment to high, and then I'm going to bring it to 25 minutes. Now typically when you have soaked beans, they only take between 7 and 10 minutes, but I got a lot of stuff in there. I got a lot of beans, so I'm gonna cook it for 25 minutes and see if it's where I want it to be. If not, then I'll put it on for 5 or 10 minutes more. But as you can see, it's going around and around, and once it gets locked in and pressure builds up, it'll count down from 25 minutes and we'll be back. 25 minutes, ham and beans. Look at that. Ooh, look at that ham hock in there, giving that smoky flavor. Oh man, let me plate this up for you guys. Homemade beans, ham and beans in the power pressure cooker. Little piece of cornbread on the side. Woo! You know what I'm waiting for, guys. I'm waiting for, I'm waiting for that bite. Oh my God. Let me get it. Good old ham and beans. One of my staples. But you guys know what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that bite. Ooh, Lord, look at this. I gotta blow it, guys. You see the steam is hot. A few more beans. Oh my God. On a cold winter day, nothing's gonna beat this. This is awesome. Guys, if you liked the video, just do me a favor. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.